In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. All praise belongs to Allah, Lord of the world. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, honorable principal chairman of this seminar, respected teachers and dear students, at first my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. A wonderful day to all of you. I am very excited because it is my great opportunity to say something in front of you in English. After Hamd and Salah, I want to say about in the age of divorce, those are acceptable and boycott, that means okay. Different fitna of this generation, those are acceptable and boycott, all of them Qadiani fitna. All of Islamic scholars and said announced that Qadiani is kafir. They are enemy of Islam and Muslim nation. If anyone accepts theory of Qadiani becomes kafir. So we should theory Qadiani is kafir. About theory of Qadiani, we must have learned many more information about theory of Qadiani. At last, salam, my dear students and dear teachers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.